So now in an IB exam, this is more likely the question you're going to see, a question where you don't have the exact information because I have this side and this side, so I clearly need this angle. All right, now the good news is that IB, almost every question has multiple parts, and then the parts kind of go together. So if you had this question on an IB exam, it would probably ask for something that you needed first, and then the last part would say find the angle of the triangle. I'm doing it all at once here. If you look at this, I'm going to erase this yellow color for a minute because what we've been doing is trying to pair things up in these other problems. So if I look at what's going on here, I have the yellow and the yellow. So that's going to be a law of sines problem to figure this out. The bad news is that when I do law of sines, I get 84 over sine of 52 equals 70 over sine of x. It's that blue angle, and I didn't want that one. I wanted the green one. But I cannot get the green one without getting the blue one first. I'm going to show you how as soon as we solve this. So it's 70 sine 52 equals 84 sine x. Divide by 84. Put that into the calculator. So 0.656. Remember, when you get sine of x, you have to hit second sine to get rid of it. So second sine of that decimal is 41.046. Now, that didn't give me the angle that I wanted, but what it did allow me to do is figure this angle out because the three angles have to add to 180. So 52 plus 41.046, and then I'm going to do 180 minus that number, and it's going to spit out the one that I want. So I'm going to add 52 to that angle I just got. Then I'm going to do 180 minus that angle right there. I'm going to get 86.953. So that's the angle that's going right there. So after that work, now I can do 1/2 times AB times the two sides times the sine. I don't need that parenthesis there. Times the sine of 86.953, yada, yada, yada. You could round there to 86.95. It's not going to hurt anything. I'm just going to leave it all and put it in the calculator. So 0.5 times 70 times 84 times the sine. I'm just going to go grab the angle there. And it's going to give me 156.267. Whoops. 156.267. I do not think it told me what to round to. It didn't. So 156.27 for now is going to be my area. So that's what we're looking at in terms of an IB question. It's got three parts to it. That's very, very common. But the good news is, like I said, it probably would give you an A, B, and a C. And probably for A, it would ask you to find the blue angle. For B, it would ask you to find the green angle. And then for C, it would ask you to find the area of the triangle. So that is good about IB problems.